Imagine being able to fly just like riding a bike. Well, the world's first flying scooter is here to change travel forever, zooming through the sky with style. These aren't just machines, they're the future. From zippy drones to sleek jets like the VOLONAUT AIRBIKE and Gulfstream G400. In this video, we showcase some incredible inventions that will make the skies both enjoyable and unrestricted. So let's start today's video. This is the VOLONAUT AIRBIKE, a personal flying machine created by the Polish engineer and entrepreneur Thomas Patan, who was previously known as the co-founder of Jetson Aero, the company which created the eVTOL aircraft Jetson 1. Patan has made public a video of the prototype of his single-seat flying motorcycle, which looks like the speeder bikes from Star Wars and represents an important milestone in personal aerial mobility. The airbike has a jet propulsion system enabling it to accelerate to near 200 kilometers per hour. Its compact form contributes to safe navigation in confined spaces, and the absence of exposed rotors means it can safely navigate without snagging. With patented stabilization technology resting on an onboard computer, which ensures effortless control of the vehicle, pilots can enjoy a complete 360-degree field of view. The vehicle's structure is composed of carbon fiber that is ultra lightweight, making it 7 times lighter than a conventional motorcycle, and the vehicle is crafted using 3-dimensional printing. The project was kept secret until April 2025, when the public was able to view the model for the first time. While no concrete details regarding the price and release date have been published, experts and enthusiasts alike are showing interest. China has introduced the world's first ever rescue drone capable of giving emergency medical help in the absolute most difficult and remote places. This amazing aerial vehicle was made by Haishin Medical Technology. This drone has an advanced medical treatment arsenal that includes performing intravenous infusions, defibrillation, and monitoring vital signs. It is also able to perform real-time video calls, enabling remote doctors to instruct operators and attendants while observing with guided part. The built-in software and sensors enable self-guided navigation drones able to fly within confided spaces. One of these drones' main features is its load payload of 300 kilograms. The aerial vehicle is also able to move at 5,000 meters above altitude, while in the cold of minus 25 degrees Celsius, and on the heat of plus 46 degrees Celsius, making them useful in rescues in the mountains and other extreme conditions. While the flight range and battery duration has not been disclosed, it is expected to be enough for operations in disaster zones. At CES 2025, Richter showcased the world's first flying scooter for personal urban air mobility. This sleek electric vehicle combines the compact agility of a motorbike with the vertical lift of a drone. For short city commutes and emergency bypass routes, it utilizes quadrotor propulsion to vertically take off and cruise at speeds of 90 km per hour. Built-in safety redundancy and obstacle avoidance tech guarantee safety in crowded environments. Ideal for solo commuters or time-sensitive deliveries, the scooter accommodates one rider and 20 kilograms of cargo for a total of 87 kilograms. Another key feature is the AI-assisted autopilot that controls takeoff, landing, and stability. Riders can steer manually or let the system navigate via a touchscreen on the handlebars. It is also planned to extend the flying range beyond the intended 30 minutes of flight time per charge by placing wireless charging pads on the rooftops of major cities and enabling floating access points to the scooter on demand. The retractable rotor technology allows for the flight time to be extended. The riding range is capped at geofenced no-fly zones of certified corridors. Engineer and video blogger Jason from the J Laser Video channel has unveiled the final version of his homemade flying hoverboard, inspired by the Green Goblin and Iron Man. This convergence of engineering prowess and love of superheroes is quite literally fascinating. The hoverboard is a multi-copter with 10 electric motors capable of lifting a person into the air. The construction is a flat platform with screw motors where the pilot stands in a vertical posture and the flight is controlled through a joystick controller. It weighs a few tons to give it stability during height and weight suspension. The design enables an adult man to be supported and held several meters off the ground in stable hovering flight. During a demonstration flight, the hoverboard has lift off so that the operator will be able to simply sit and glide over the ground. It has the exact look of the glider that the Green Goblin used to fly around in the Spider-Man movies, albeit with thematic solar painting and disguise. The device is still being refined and not built for mass distribution, but it does demonstrate some expected possibilities of personal flying machines and serves as motivation for further work in them. Renault AIR4 is not just a flying car, it's a new age vehicle innovation taking flight. After all, the world's first production-ready flying car is set to launch in 2026. Wild, right? Picture yourself leisurely soaring over gridlocks while zipping at highway speeds, all while the vehicle touches down vertically at any spot of your choice. Quiet and zero-emission operation further amplifies the tech feat this eVTOL achieves. Snap back to reality. Set your imagination a bit further to the first fully functioning flying car of the future. A sleek road vehicle seamlessly morphs into a high-flying machine with the assistance of 4-part electric motors, all while being whisper quiet. The AIR4 comes pre-packed with smart computer system, aerospace-grade flight safety tech, ultra-fast chargers, and slays expectations as the first pilot-ready flying car merging vehicles with planes. That's leaps and bounds ahead of our antiquated e-vehicle systems today. With zero emissions guaranteed, the Marvel can be operated anywhere, taking flight at will. Niue Ag Human Drone. This is one of the craziest and most spectacular drone experiments ever undertaken. A human being launching from a modified agricultural drone, the DJI Agress T40. This was a collaboration project with the folks at Niue Ag, and it is safe to say that they took a huge gamble as well as redefined the limits of civilian drones. The DJI Agress T40 was not too long ago released as a powerful drone for crops, which could aerate and spray fertilizers and chemicals with precision. Its coaxial dual rotor system is able to carry 50 kilograms of payload and gave it extremely autonomous flight capabilities. Nevertheless, the Niue Ag team decided to take it to a completely different level. After more experiments with the drone, along with careful calculations on thrust redistribution, frame reinforcement, and pilot safety, one team member climbed into the structure and took off at low altitude but with absolute control and stability. This astonishing concept from Venus Aerospace, which was founded in 2020, achieves a mind-boggling Mach 9 speed, meaning it takes only an hour to get from one city to another. The Stargazer spacecraft permits passengers to take in the breathtaking views of Earth's curvature while cruising at 170,000 feet, blending stunning engineering with unrivaled flying experiences. Its groundbreaking rotating detonation engine provides unrivaled fuel economy in comparison to traditional engines. The spacecraft's Stargazer structure, which is crafted from high-tech materials, guarantees resilience at temperatures of extreme speed, while the onboard systems guarantee optimal function in reality's most demanding environments. Supported by hefty investments, Venus Aerospace is straining towards hypersonic flight tests, heralding the beginning of a new epoch of ultra-speed travel. Stargazer's unveiling as a sneak peek of future skies has affected a wide range of key stakeholders from innovators and travelers to architects, and is just around the corner commercial launch, eagerly promising to change global travel boundaries as we know it. Stargazer looks set to be leader in high-speed aviation, with his small but highly sophisticated fuel-efficient design provoked eco-conscious technology. The Boom Overture is a next-generation supersonic airliner designed to redefine air travel by combining speed, safety, and sustainability. Capable of cruising at Mach 1.7 with a range of 4,250 nautical miles, it aims to connect cities in nearly half the time of current subsonic flights. With a capacity of 64 to 80 passengers, the Overture features a delta-wing design, advanced composite materials, and 4 dry turbofan engines optimized for quieter, more efficient supersonic travel. Boom Technology plans to introduce the Overture by 2029, targeting routes like New York to London in just 3.5 hours, offering fares comparable to business class. This aircraft represents a bold step toward the future of faster, more sustainable aviation. The Kawasaki P1 is a state-of-the-art maritime patrol aircraft developed by Kawasaki Aerospace for the Japan Maritime Self-Defense Force. Unlike many patrol aircraft adapted from civilian designs, the P1 is purpose-built for maritime operations, featuring advanced systems like the world's first fly-by-optics control system for enhanced reliability. Powered by 4 high-bypass turbofan engines, it offers superior speed, range, and payload capacity compared to its predecessor, the P3C Orion. Equipped with cutting-edge sensors, including sonar, radar, and magnetic anomaly detectors, the P1 excels in submarine detection and surveillance missions. This innovative aircraft represents a significant leap in Japan's defense capabilities and maritime security. Vertical Aerospace is at the forefront of sustainable aviation with the VX4, a fully electric aircraft aimed at eliminating urban air travel emissions. This advanced eVTOL can travel up to 100 miles at a speed of 150 miles per hour, offering further advancements to transportation options. Vertical Aerospace's innovation in battery technology, aerodynamics, and noise reduction engineering enables the company to achieve an optimal blend of performance and sustainability. With major partnerships from industry leaders such as GKN Aerospace and Leonardo, the VX4 will achieve certification by 2028 as part of the company's Flight Path 2030 strategy. Vertical Aerospace expects to increase production to over 200 units annually by the end of the decade, radically changing the defined future of aviation. Gulfstream G400 is an outstanding business jet that redefines the meaning of luxury and long-range travel. This Gulfstream Aerospace has achieved remarkable engineering goals with a range of 4,200 nautical miles, which helps the jet move non-stop between global economic centers like New York and London. It is powered by two Pratt & Whitney PW812GA engines, which helps deliver speed and fuel efficiency, setting records for eco-friendly performance. The G400 lavish cabin is fully customizable and offers unparalleled comfort, while the Gulfstream Symmetry flight deck and next-generation remarkable flight navigation systems deliver smooth, ultra-safe flights. Gulfstream took risks by integrating advanced material and emission-reducing technology to craft a jet that is sustainable and opulent. Additional rigorous design and testing led to the triumph of the G400, which transforms executive travel with unmatched prestige. Tremendous control, sleek airframe, cutting-edge systems reshapes what's possible in private jets. When the jet was unveiled, it sparked fervor among industry leaders and luxury travelers. G400 daring blend of innovation and elegance proves the relentless drive to push boundaries. Howard DBA. This is perhaps one of the most audacious aviation dreams that ever existed. The Howard DBA, christened the Big Damn Airplane, a massive project from the well-known Howard Hughes. This enormous transcontinental airliner was meant to attempt to cross the boundaries of long-distance travel. It was designed to be bigger, have longer range, and carry more passengers than any airliner from the 1940s. If Hughes's DBA was to be completed, 100 would be able to skim freely across continents in absolute comfort. With the DBA's revolutionary engineering and supreme aerodynamics, much would be possible. Hughes and his team went to extremes trying to design a frame with new materials that could actually allow the DBA to take off. Sadly, like most of Hughes's projects that were meant to be daring, his ventures faced brutal reality of technical limitations, high costs of production, and a market that was favoring a more understated approach. Unfortunately, after all of that meticulous planning, the DBA never flew, and instead was crushed by the harsh restraints of reality. Even so, the attempt will forever mark history as an inspiration that is needed to provoke agile aviation. Meet the Hart Aerospace ES30, an innovative hybrid electric airliner that could change the landscape of sustainable aviation. The Swedish company Hart Aerospace is developing this 30-seat airliner that combines the principle of eco-friendliness with modern technology while boasting a range of 200 kilometers on pure electric power and 800 kilometers with hybrid reserves. It is powered by four 400-kilowatt electric motors, which provides zero-emission flights for short routes and unrivaled efficiency for longer ones. In addition, the ES30 has fast charging capabilities, which enables shorter turnaround times, and its near-silent operation redefines regional flying as affordable as well as eco-friendly. The sleek design of the ES30 also incorporates cutting-edge aerodynamics for smooth performance throughout varying conditions. Backed by industry leaders such as Air Canada and United Airlines, the aircraft is expected to transform regional flight travel by the 2030s to be more environmentally friendly, quieter, and easier to access. After years of meticulous work, Hart Aerospace revealed the ES30 concept, highlighting their ambitions to lead sustainable aviation.